If you're wondering whether Frase or Scalenut offers better automated content writing, you've come to the right place. Both platforms have been gaining traction, but are they truly the best options for automated content generation? Let's dive into it, and I'll share my insights on what these tools do well and where they might fall short. First, let's talk about Frase. It's an AI powered content creation tool that has a strong focus on helping you generate SEO optimized content. Frase uses an impressive algorithm to create content from scratch based on the topics you provide. It offers in-depth keyword research and content briefs, making it easier for users to create high-ranking articles. One of the standout features of Frase is its content research tool, which allows you to instantly gather data from the top ranking pages for your target keyword. This is great if you're looking to build a content strategy that's both informative and search engine friendly. Next, let's look at Scalenut. This platform is also AI-driven, but tends to focus more on the end-to-end content creation process. Scalenut combines AI with a more guided workflow, allowing you to create blog posts, landing pages, and even social media copy. The standout feature here is its ability to generate long-form content with a strong structure, saving you hours of manual editing. It's easy to use, and you can customize the tone of voice for different types of content, whether that's formal, conversational, or somewhere in between. The third thing to consider is the user interface. Both Frase and Scalenut are designed with simplicity in mind, but there are differences in how you interact with each. Frase offers a clean, minimalistic design that is ideal for users who want to get straight to the point. However, it can feel a bit overwhelming when you first start using it, especially for beginners. On the other hand, Scalenut has a more intuitive user experience, guiding you through the content creation process in a way that feels more hands-on. Next up, let's talk about pricing. Phrase's pricing is on the higher side, especially when you want access to the most advanced features like the content research tool and AI-powered writing. Scalenut, however, is more budget-friendly, offering a solid entry-level package that still includes powerful features for content generation. If you're on a budget, Scalenut may offer more value for your money, but if you need advanced SEO and research capabilities, Frase might be worth the investment. Now, let's compare the quality of the content. Both tools generate decent content, but there are nuances. Frase excels when it comes to short-form content and SEO optimization. However, when it comes to more in-depth, long-form writing, it might require some manual tweaking. Scalenut, on the other hand, handles long-form content much better out of the box, making it a great option for bloggers or marketers who need to produce substantial content without as much post-editing. The fifth thing we should look at is the AI's learning curve. Phrase's AI is powerful but requires a bit of time to master if you want to get the most out of it. Scalenut, in contrast, offers a more guided approach and is easier to learn quickly. If you're someone who values efficiency and ease of use, Scalenut's workflow might be the way to go. Finally, let's talk about integrations. Frase integrates well with tools like Google Docs, Slack, and various SEO tools, which makes it a good option if you're already using other tools in your workflow. Scalenut is also compatible with Google Docs and other popular tools, but it doesn't have quite the same depth and integration options as Frase. So, which one offers better automated content writing? Both Frase and Scalenut have their merits, but after trying them both out, I'd say they're solid options, depending on your needs. However, if you're looking for a tool that combines the best of both worlds, high-quality long-form content, easy-to-use interfaces, and a reasonable price, there's a better alternative. If you want a more reliable solution, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else.